Hello guys, today I've got the Boox Palma 2 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily use its rear camera for document scanning. So even though we don't have this mode in the camera applications built in, we have it when you tap this thing over here. This is actually the application built in, and if you tap it, you can see DocScan. Tap here, new scan, enter your document name, and now here we've got our scan. And we can take a photo of some piece of text. Let me do it. This is my piece of text, for example. Let me zoom it in. Of course, my book has to be different. Okay, now I'm gonna take a photo of my piece of text, and now here, if you tap it, you can see that this is our document. And here, if you tap next, you can see that here we've got our document, and we can edit, replace, delete, or tap it next to save it. And now this is our document 1. Goodbye.